Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We have a Monday morning build for you guys today. I'm very excited about. This is a 2024 GMC Denali 3500 Dually. And today we're gonna be doing the Fox shocks and a 4-inch Cognito lift on this one, I'm pretty sure. And we're gonna be doing some 37-inch Fury tires and some 26-inch KG1 Dually wheels. It's gonna be the KG1 Jacked in the black and milled finish. Everything ought to match up pretty good. This is a black and chrome truck. I'm doing some black and chrome wheels, so get ready for this one. Here's our truck. Once again, I told you we're doing the Denali here. This isn't the Denali Ultimate. Denali has all chrome in the grill, so if you ever see one that says Denali on the side and it has a chrome grill, it's not the Ultimate. If it has the dark chrome, it's the Ultimate. I think both trucks are very nice. I don't think there's really one thing better about one than the other, minus some interior things. This one I haven't seen inside yet, but it should have the black leather interior, and it does. I told you guys in past videos that I think I like the black better than the brown leather that comes in the Ultimates. Let me know what you think in the comments. This one's gonna be awesome though. This has to say something about Cognito. When they ship you a lift kit, they ship it like this in a big box on a big pallet. Everybody else just sends regular little boxes through FedEx Ground for the most part. Here we have a 26-inch KG1 Jacked Dually wheel. Now, if you see the Jacked, it's one of their designs that they have that I've had myself in the past. It has more spokes here on the Dually wheel than it does on the standard wheel because this is a 10-lug wheel. This is one of their prefabricated finishes that come from them. They either have all polished or black and milled. This looks very, very nice. It's a little bit of a price increase for the black, but I think it's worth it.
I'd have went out there, I'd have been hunting a different kind of something. I'd been hunting somewhere to live. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we are done with our GMC Denali Dually build. It is on some 26-inch KG1s and some 37-inch Fury tires. The wheel we did here is called the Jacked. It's black and milled. I think it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think about this one. So I don't show enough dualies on the channel. We all know that, but whenever we do, man, we really knock them out of the park. This is the 26-inch KG1 Jacked right there I was just talking about in the black and milled finish. Thing looks amazing to me. I had that wheel one time before. I think I said it earlier in the video, but I had it in a full polished wheel, but in black and milled, it looks amazing. Going over the lift kit we did, this is the 5-inch Cognito. Excellent angles on your axles. This kit comes with a Fox reservoir shock. Always amazing. Comes with the upper control arms right here. Comes with the idler arm and pitman arm brace that you cannot see. It's too far up under there, but I'm telling you, it's an awesome part that they come up with on this one. Still allows you to utilize your overload spring in the rear that came with the truck. There's your Fox Resi in the back there. Paired up really nicely with the 37-inch Fury MT. This is the 37-1350. A lot of times I get asked questions like, what do you do about the tires touching in the middle? And the wheels are designed with that in mind so that the tires do not touch. And you still have plenty of room in the back. Let me know what you think about the truck. If you have any questions about the price or anything like that, you know I'm always here to answer the phone calls. We're at Southern Tire McDonough. Phone number is 678-994-9180. Thanks for watching. Might as well throw this in the video. I'm completely off work and I'm at Subway, and I come outside and the truck of the day is out here still looking good.